The day of the incident was a very normal day for me. We were eating supper on our back porch, and I remember hearing other motorcycles, thinking, oh, is that Adam home? Because it was late. I started to worry when he didn't show up on time. I started calling and texting his cell phone, and there was no answer until finally a social worker at Hamilton General Hospital picked up and told me that Adam had been in an accident and had been airlifted and was on a ventilator. My first thought was, it's pretty bad because you don't get a ride in a helicopter for a broken leg. Adam was in a coma for 13 days, so I was pretty scared that he wasn't going to remember us when he woke up. And there were moments while he was in a coma that I was nervous, the possibility of him dying.
My biggest fear once I woke up out of my coma was, what am I going to be left with once I recover? Am I going to be able to walk? I couldn't use my right arm at that time. Will I be able to use my arm again?
Well, there were multiple internal organ injuries, collapsed lungs, pelvis fracture, and then there were 7 surgeries. We hired Smitiuch Injury Law. When I spoke to Mike, he reassured me that they were going to do everything they could to help us out and that they were fighters. Everything he told me he was going to do, he did.
They made us feel very welcome. They were very open with everything. They were transparent. If we didn't understand something, they spent the time and they broke it down so we could understand the legal terms.
I also felt like they gave us a bit of control in a situation where we didn't have any control, and worked really hard to get as much compensation as possible. I would recommend Smitiuch Injury Law to anybody because they work hard to get you what you need. They're honest, they're transparent.
They were top-notch. They're second to none, and as far as I'm concerned, they were true to their word.